Welcome to Beautiful Silks Tutorial 1, Tie-dyeing silk in a microwave. In this tutorial, we'll show you how easily you can colour your own silk fabrics using our BeautifulSilks liquid heat fixing dyes. This is what you need: gloves, a large container, 2 small containers, your dyes, white vinegar, a water jug, an eyedropper, a tablespoon, a microwave which is no longer used for food, and silk fabric. Step 1. Place your silk fabric in a large container. Completely cover with water. Massage the fabric to ensure it is completely saturated. Place this container to one side. Step 2. Now you can mix your first dye bath. Pour 1 litre of water into a small container. Using your eyedropper, add 10 millilitres of dye. Add 1 tablespoon of cheap white vinegar and stir. Step 3. Now you're ready to dye your silk. Immerse the damp tissue in the dye bath. Using your glove-protected hands, encourage the dye to absorb evenly through the fabric. Place the container in your microwave and cook on high for 7 minutes. Remove the container from the microwave and leave to cool. Step 4. While you're waiting for your silk to cool, you can mix your second dye bath. Repeat the first dye process in a new container. Step 5. Squeeze excess liquid out of the silk. Pull and twist it tightly. Now, immerse the twisted bundle in your second dye bath. Microwave the silk again for 7 minutes. And then leave to cool. Step 6. Once it has cooled, squeeze the liquid out and unravel the silk. Rinse it under water and wring out. Unravel the fabric completely and hang to dry. Simple, easy dyeing with fabulous results. For written instructions and more information, please visit our website.